In this video, I'll show you how you can fix no audio on your Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up your Roblox, join a random game. So I'm just going to join something. Now wait for it to load a little bit, and then from in here we want to go to the options. So press escape, go to settings. Now from in here, make sure volume is turned up and it's not all the way down. Make sure it's turned up. Then what you want to do is you can log out of this, and then you want to come down here, right click and go to open volume mixer. From in here you want to make sure that your Roblox is not at muted. Once you've done this, it should hopefully work. The last option you can do is come in here to apps and features, find Roblox, just search for it, and then uninstall all your Roblox things and reinstall them. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.